Hello everybody, welcome to Mother's Mind. Today we're going to recycle all this stuff and these with the help of my kids and these. Don't go there. Yeah. And then we're going to make a castle, hopefully. Let's see how it goes.
Sit on it. We can sit on it as well.
Yeah. So this is where we are so far. I don't know how much time gone because we had to stop for a little bit. I think it's gonna be fine. She wanted it to be as tall as her, so stand up. So we made it taller than her, so she can stand in it. So I think either here or a little bit down we will make window.
And then here the down.
And then we will make a roof.
Yeah.
So let's get cracking on. So along the way I find a great solution to join two cardboards. And this is look like you make a hole on a top cardboard and a hole on the bottom cardboard. Then you get a wire. What I have is a simple garden wire. I take a small piece and then I thread it through the top hole, and on the other side I come back with the same wire. And then
I color that.
yes, Sarah's coloring that, yeah. And then you just, it's hard to show with one hand. Yes, Sarah, let me speak. Hard to show with one hand, but you just kind of twist it strongly, so then it stays there. And after you twist it, you just thread through the wires in these two holes, and we will secure it in the other side, so it's not inside the house for the kids. This is the halfway approximately. We have a nice door in here. We can write down the name of the house later on. We have some supporting over there, and this one. We will definitely need one in here, but I'm not sure we will have. And that's one window, and we will have one more window in here. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. So this is where we are at the moment, and I'm planning the roof. And then I figured out that I will need this line in here, so I don't need to cover all the roof. Yeah, it's like a bridge for the roof. So then I'm going to fix this one. Leave Sarah, leave it on the edge. Now I can't move it with one hand, but something like this. That's our chimney.
No.
And
Stop.
then the other side we'll have something like this with the eggshells or egg cartons or whatever it's called.
A cartoon.
Yeah, okay. I'm pretty much using up all my leftover ingredients. Nothing more here. Look, all the papers have gone, everything. And I'm using leftover wire as I don't have any more. It's all finished. So,
Scissors.
yeah. So let's see how will it look in the end. And so it's done. I know it's not perfect, it could be look better, but it's all ours. Hello. And we can decorate it in a later video. So coming up we will show paper decorations, so we can decorate this lovely house. And hopefully you wouldn't see all these paper dodgy things. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share it with your friends, and tell me what you want to see next. What's the best thing you liking my videos, maybe.
Like,
See you
like,
see you next
like
time.
video.
Bye.